Hi, welcome to SDS Manager. I'm here to guide you step by step in setting up your SDS library. We are now viewing your dashboard. Step 1. Add your company location. Start by adding the location of your company. If you operate across multiple sites, you can add as many locations as needed. Step 2. Build your SDS inventory. You can search our database by product name or case number. Once you find the SDS you need, simply click the plus button to add it to your library. If you already have PDF copies of your SDSs, you can upload them individually or as a zip folder by dragging and dropping the file. If you don't have the PDFs, simply upload your product list in our suggested format. Our system will prepare your SDS library for you. Step 3. Keep your library updated. Once your SDS library is set up, check if any SDSs need updates. You can enable auto updates so your library stays compliant without extra effort. Step 4. Share your SDS library. To make your SDSs accessible to employees, generate a QR code by clicking the QR icon. Print it as a poster for site locations. Add your company logo for personalization, or email it directly to your team with one click. That's it! Your SDS library is now ready to use. From here, you and your team can access, manage, and stay compliant with ease. Welcome to Smarter Chemical Safety Management with SDS Manager. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, tutorials, or support, please visit our Help Center or contact our support team.